Let's fix 0xc00d36c4 error occur in Windows Media Player. This happens because your video's format is not supported or problem with codecs. Method 1. Simply install another media player. I recommend VLC Media Player. Go to browser and search as VLC Media Player. Go to first link. You can select your OS or click download. After downloading, run the setup. Method 2. Install the codec pack for Media Player. Go to browser and search for codecs for Windows Media Player. Click the first link. Then select the codec pack you want. Now click Download. After the downloading completed, run the setup. Method 3. Convert the video to MP4. Go to browser and search for Video Converter online. Click the first link. You can upload the file and convert it. That's all.